Hey everyone, wanted to share a quick tutorial here on how to access the online U.S. history textbook. So you all have access to our textbook online, and it's super easy to access. It should only take a couple of seconds. So the first thing you need to do is go to clever.com. This is where you will find our textbook. So just Google Clever. The big blue C here will show you that you're in the right spot. Just click on the first link that's here. So that'll take you to the main page here on Clever. So what you need to do is click this button here, log in as student. All right. Now I'm not a student, so I'm going to pull down to the teacher or admin so you guys can see what moving forward. But you click this and it'll take you to the next screen. Now I've already logged on, so you see here it says Lindbergh Schools. But the screen that you should be seeing now, if you have never logged on to Clever before, is going to ask you what's your school district, and there should be a little box like this there. Just type in Lindbergh. You'll see Lindbergh High School. Click it, and it'll show up, and then this screen will be what you see next. So if you log on with Google, of course our emails through Lindbergh Schools are all on Google, so you want to log in with Google. I'm already logged on, so it's going to take me straight to the main page. You might have to type in your password and everything from your school email, and all that will work out just fine. So once you're on the main page here with Clever, it's super easy. Our U.S. history textbook is TCI. So this purple TCI button is what you're looking for. And if you click it, it should give you all access to the textbook. Now, my screen, because I'm a teacher, is going to look a little different. This just has my class periods and the number of students enrolled in every class. But as you get to that point, you should be able to access the textbook from here. So if I click on the actual textbook, you can see here each of the chapters are all here. Now, in accessing this, it's going to be a little different because we're not going to be able to use pages and stuff like that. But as you can see, you have access to all of the chapters in the U.S. history textbook. So over the course of the next several weeks, however long we'll be learning from our homes, we will be occasionally needing to access the U.S. history textbook, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions, please let me or your teacher know. Thanks.